In this video, I will be showing you how to convert an entire ChatGPT conversation into a PDF file. Let's get started. First, I start by opening my web browser to a blank Google search page. I click up in the address bar at the top of the screen and type in chatgpt.com to head straight over to the official website. Once the interface fully loads, I see the main chat area waiting for a prompt, but I actually want to export one of my previous discussions. I move my mouse cursor over to the left-hand sidebar menu, which contains a history of all my recent chat interactions. I scroll down through the list until I find the specific thread I need, labeled Cinematic Jeepney Photo. I click directly on that chat name to pull up the complete log. The entire discussion, along with the generated image contents, displays on the screen. Now, to begin the conversion process, I need to open my browser's print options. I use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows, or Command+P if I were using a Mac. This immediately triggers the System Print menu overlaying the chat interface. On the right side of this print dialog panel, I see several configuration drop-down menus. I click on the destination setting first to make sure it is configured to save as PDF rather than a physical printer. Once that is set, I can check the other options like Pages and Layout. The layout is currently set to Portrait by default. I want to test how it looks in another orientation, so I click the Layout drop-down menu and select Landscape. The preview window on the left side refreshes, showing me the updated horizontal view of the document structure across 2 pages. After reviewing how it looks, I decide that the portrait orientation is a better fit for reading a continuous text conversation. I click back into the Layout menu and switch it back to Portrait, and the Layout preview adjusts instantly. With all my printer settings perfectly configured to export the document correctly, I look down at the bottom of the right-hand panel and click the blue Save button. This opens up my operating system's standard File Explorer window so I can choose exactly where to store the new document. The window closes, indicating the file has successfully been written to my local disk. Next, I want to verify that the file looks good and downloaded properly. I minimize my browser and open up a new File Manager window on my desktop. I click into the Downloads folder from the Quick Access section on the left sidebar. There is my freshly created file, sitting right at the top of the folder list. I double-click the file icon, and it opens up a crisp, perfectly formatted PDF inside a new browser tab. I scroll all the way through both pages of the document, confirming that the text blocks, images, formatting, and layout are entirely intact and easy to read. This is a fantastic way to back up your important AI text logs, project prompts, or creative ideas for future offline viewing. Everything looks absolutely perfect, and the file is now ready to share or archive. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.